Alright, you guys see that solenoid up there? There's the new one. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys a view of what I'm doing. How about hold on, let me just get the bolts out. Tiny little bastards. You try not to lose them. Come on. Get up there. Boy, these are hard to get to sometimes. So what's happening here is the PTO is staying engaged after you turn it off. Oh, got a little bit of transmission fluid on my phone. That's always good stuff. See? Came out in pieces. Tell me that's working like it's supposed to. Come on now. These solenoids do come apart so you can clean them, but that's the piece. Whoa. I can get it all over my phone. There's a screen in there. Solenoid moves in and out. Typically, they'll plug up or they'll start sticking, and then you got an issue. Here's the new one. I like to plug them in first, so you know which way to plug it in, and you know which way it goes in, because you can put these in 180 out. Ask me how I know. Oh, jeepers. You gotta get the bolts started. With slippery fingers, which is a total pain in the ass. Alright, one started. Try to put the extension on. Start this other one. Thank God for that little piece of the extension that gives you a little grip. That one's tight. Tighten up number 2 here. I can stay on it. All right. Out with the old, in with the new. There we go. Slide my tools out. Ugh. Too fat for this. Ooh, jeepers creepers. That thing saves my ass. My wife's yoga mat. Alright. Where? Let that build up a second. There we go. Looks like she's got a check engine light. Guess we'll be fixing that next. You old service girl. Damn, she fine. Alright. Turn them strobe lights back off. PTO. Get out. Well, we've got PTO, but I'll make sure that we have function here. Yep. Sounds healthy. Old beat up trucks these things are. PTO off. Fine. Back on. Back off. Okay. Another dime, another dollar.